pranking my grandma.
Alright, we're ready to go now.
But got her tongue pierced.
Yeah, okay.
Seriously.
Yep. What is that? What is that? What is that?
Prank on wife gone wrong.
What? What? What is it?
Alright, ready? Yeah. Oh, dude! This is easy peasy, bro. Look at me. Okay, I'm ready, I guess.
Can you see anything?
No.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, okay.
You're doing it.
Dude, yeah, this is easy. John?